So here's just a quick video on how to run the OpenBrewery 2.0 software. This is the files downloaded from Bitbucket, and basically the first thing we need to do is plug in our board, which is Arduino Mega. This says other pieces, but you just need the Mega to get started, and then you can start plugging things in. So once that's plugged in, I go to the server directory, and there's a whole bunch of different breakout servers. This is software that basically talks over a serial port to the Arduino and then makes it accessible as a web server. Now, even though I'm using Windows 64, Windows 8, I'm actually going to use the Win32 since I can't seem to get the Win64 one to run. So I just extract the zip file, and it's a folder, and once I get there, I run the server program, and it comes up with this little window, and just make sure you have the right COM port chosen. This is the only COM port that shows up, the only serial port on this machine, and the port is 8887. And just click connect. The first time I ran this, Windows asked me, do I want to allow this thing to have access or whatever. Anyway, the point, it's connected. See a green light on the board, and now I'm going to go to the client directory, and this is where there's a web page and just index.html. That's all I need. If I want to open that in Chrome, I haven't tested it in Internet Explorer. I've already actually got it open. I'm going to refresh the page just so you see what happens. Basically, it comes up with a blank page, and if everything connects, you get a success in the upper right, and you see the whole brewery. If there's an error, basically you don't see anything right now, at least as of early January 2016. If you kind of want to see some more debugging information in Chrome, you can hit F12. It's a developer tools console, and it loads this little thing here. If you click the console button, it'll show you all the output. So here it says it's initializing the Arduino and creating the Motherlode Brewery, which basically it's drawing it and everything, and done creating brewery. If there were an error, then we would see something else. In fact, let's take a look at what happens if there is an error. For example, I'm going to disconnect the breakout, and I'm then going to reload the page. So now the software won't be able to talk to the Arduino because breakout is not connected. And so basically we get an error that it couldn't connect to port 8887 here, which is where the server was running. That's because it's no longer running anymore. So anyway, error messages are obviously an improvement area, but you get an idea of how to run this thing.